Hello. Hi,
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 sir.
madam. Hi, hi. How
Hi,
are
how are
you?
you?
I'm good, madam. I'm good.
I'm also good. How was your day?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fantastic.
Anything special that happened today or anything you'd like to share from the day?
It's normal. It's as usual day. There is
It's,
nothing
it's,
special.
it's a normal casual day.
Yes, yes.
Great. So, what is your routine like? Like, how do you wind up your days?
Yeah, like you are asking about my schedule, right?
No, no, sir. I'm asking, how do you wind up your day? Wind up means to finish something. So, how do you usually end your days?
Uh, yeah, actually, like in the morning, I went to gym. Like after that, I went to office at around 9 or 9:30 around.
Uh
And
huh.
evening 6 o'clock, I left the office.
Right.
Yeah, and
Okay.
yeah, yeah, after that I fresh up and ready for clapping session.
All right. So thank you for sharing, sir.
Yeah.
However, my question was, how do you wind up your day? So wind up usually means like, how do you wrap up your day? Like what do you do at the end when you go to sleep? That is
Okay.
winding up. Up means finishing something, like wind up work, wrap up work. Similarly,
Okay.
wind up day.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you do before you go to bed? How do you usually end your day? Like I read a book before I go to bed.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, like nowadays I used to watch Netflix series.
All right. Which series?
Currently, I'm watching Money Heist. I have completed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm watching the yesterday. I started something. Currently, I'm not recalling it.
Uh-huh.
I think never have I ever.
Okay, all right. I think you did tell me about it.
Yes, I
We spoke
completed
about it.
yeah, yeah, one episode left, but I completed that yesterday.
All right, that's great. Just one thing, sir, I'll point out something. So, in a sentence, you said that nowadays I used to watch Netflix series, right? So, instead of saying I used to watch, you simply say nowadays I am watching Netflix series.
Okay, present continuous tense.
Yes. We won't use used to because used to means
In the
that you're
past tense.
talking
Oh yeah.
way back in the past. Okay,
Okay,
like
okay.
not
Okay,
just
okay.
simple past, but like way back, something that you don't do anymore.
Okay, okay.
Okay, like I used to suck my thumb when I was a child. Now I don't
Okay.
do it anymore, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah, yeah.
that is when you use used to.
Okay, sure, sure.
All right. So since you finished Never Have I Ever, are you looking forward to watching something else, something new?
Yes, there is a lot of list is there. Like I'm confusing. I'm watching Friends also. Friends.
Oh, that's great. Which season are you at?
I'm in a first season only.
All right. Are you liking
Yeah.
it?
Yes, I am liking it.
That's great. And what else are you planning to watch? Any small web series, short web series?
Yeah, there are like a lot of lists there. I have I have created a top 10 series list. Friends,
Okay.
Friends is there and Breaking Bad and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
uh, Breaking Bad is there. Mm, yeah, Snitcher or something. Something is there. I
Uh-huh,
am not
uh-huh.
re.
I can't
Yeah,
recall.
yeah. I have a list. 1 minute. Uh, yeah,
Yes.
the Suits, House of
Okay.
sorry, Suits, The Office, of House of Cards, Orange is the New Black, Stranger Things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, list
All
is there.
popular things. Nice.
Yes, yes, yeah. I think no, it will take maybe 6 months or 7 months. I don't know.
Oh, sir,
Maybe.
more than that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You've picked up very lengthy things.
Yes, yes, yes. then definitely it is like it definitely it's recommended.
Oh, yes. Just one thing in a sentence, you said that, there is a lot of list. So
Yeah,
instead of saying there is a lot of list, you will say there is a long list,
there is a long list. Okay.
right? Because there is one list which is very long, right?
Yes,
So you'll say
yes,
there is a long list. When you say a lot of list, it means like there are different lists.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, sir. So, what do you like? Which character do you like the most in Friends so far?
So far, I am not recalling the names. Like, yeah, one guy is very tall, and yeah, that guy.
Ross.
Yeah, yeah, I think was.
All right. Sir, instead of saying so far, instead of saying I am not recalling names, you simply say that I can't recall.
Can't recall. Okay.
We use can't because can is ability to do something. Okay, can
Yes, yes,
means
yes.
ability. So right now you're not able to recall. So
Yeah,
you say that I can't recall at the moment.
I can't recall at the moment. Okay.
Correct. Absolutely.
Sure.
Okay. Right. So what would you like to talk about today?
I would like to talk about tenses.
Okay, you like to discuss tenses as a topic.
Yes, yes.
All
Uh,
right, sir. So let's try to do an activity for tenses.
sure,
All right.
sure. Yeah.
First, we'll try to do an activity for past tense. Okay.
Okay.
So what we'll do is, um, you think of a story from your
Okay.
childhood or from
Okay.
any story. Okay, it could be anything.
Okay.
And you narrate it to me. Okay, you tell me the story. Now,
Okay.
why it's an activity for past tense is because when you have to tell a story, it is in past tense, right? Because it happened.
Yes, yes. It
So,
happened.
yes, so you have to make past sentences in past tense. So it works on your past tense. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
That if you cannot at the moment recall or think of any incident from your own life,
Okay.
you can tell me a story. Okay. Story
Okay.
from a movie, from a web series, anything. But the point is that we tell it in past tense.
Okay.
Okay, so that is one activity. Another
Yeah.
activity, meanwhile, you tell the story, I'll try to look for some sentences. And then
Yes.
after the story is done, we'll change those sentences in every tense present, future, past, all of it.
Sure, sure.
Okay, so do you have any story, any personal incident, or any
Yes,
story
yes.
in mind?
I will tell my school life. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll switch off my video for 2 minutes because I'll be looking for sentences for the next
Sure.
activity.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. Right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Please start your story, and we'll do it in past tense, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yes.
This is about like my schooling. Like
Yes.
in my sixth standard, sorry, in my seventh standard, like I wrote exam for one admission, like for residential school. Okay.
All
Uh,
right.
I wrote the exam and like around 30 like around 30 members like in my classroom around 30 people wrote that exam. Okay, out of those 30 I got selected in that exam.
All right. That's
Okay,
great.
yeah, in district level I got a fourth rank around. Yeah, I got
Uh-huh.
like I got selected for that exam and yeah, finally like everything is ready and my father didn't want me to
Mm-hmm.
go to that school.
Okay.
Okay, but I am like I really want to go went there, like I really want to go to that school. Okay, uh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, felt like
You really
yeah,
like the school.
yeah, I really like that school. I finally like I convinced my father, and I
Mhm.
really want to study for in that school so that I'll get have a great future in my career. Okay, I convinced my father for that, and I
Right.
joined there. And that is my that is the great risk I have took in my like in my early age only.
Uh-huh.
Because once I joined there, like I met a lot of like a lot of talented people. Like everybody got selected. Okay, all are talented people only.
Right.
Yeah, I met a lot of like educated people there. Yes, and 3 years I enjoyed a lot
Mm-hmm.
there, and in the exams also we used to go to like no climb your trees and read the books like that. There is a like
Uh-huh.
uh, uh, no school is there in between, like in middle of the forest.
Uh-huh. School was there.
Yeah, school was there in the middle of the forest. Okay,
Uh-huh.
around like school, like all trees only, like all forest.
All right. Okay. It must be
Yeah,
a view.
yeah. It's a great view. Like lot of no hills only there.
All right.
Yeah, yeah. It's like I had a great fun and I had a great experience and I learnt a lot in that school. And the teachers also like they explained the lessons in a very much like they their teaching was very nice. Like okay,
All right.
like the teachers explained the things in a very like in a understandable manner.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Yeah, I got a lot of knowledge there, and yeah, that is my greatest achievement. Yeah, I had a lot of fun there, and ground is
Right.
also very heavy. Like in the morning, we woke up around 5 o'clock, and we went to
Okay.
ground, and we do some yoga, and some after that we play games, whatever we like, whatever we want,
Uh-huh.
like
Right. Right.
basketball, volleyball, and all those things. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
we played well there. Like no, in the sports wise also, I improved a lot in that school.
All right. That's great.
Yeah,
That's wonderful.
that's it. Yeah,
All right. Very well done, sir.
yeah,
Most of your 85% of your 90%, in fact, of your
yeah,
sentences were correct. There were only three mistakes.
yeah,
F- in a sentence, you said that I have took that decision. The
yeah.
correct would be
I had taken the decision.
yes. You either say I had taken the decision or I took the decision.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Another one is you said in a sentence that in the morning we do some yoga.
yeah.
What will be the correct, sir?
We did some yoga.
Oh, we did some yoga. Exactly. And then the third one was where once you said that, the forest, the school is in the middle of the forest or the woods. So instead of is, it would be was
Yeah, school was yeah,
located.
yeah, located in the middle of the forest.
Right. So see, sir, it was good, right? There were only these three mistakes and you knew
Yes,
these three as well,
yes,
right? You
yes,
just said it in the flow of speaking,
yes, yes.
right? So pretty good. Are you
So
satisfied with your performance?
yes, I'm satisfied.
All right. So we'll do a very similar activity. We'll just change a couple of sentences in different
Okay,
tense, and then we'll do another narration of another story.
okay,
Okay. All right. So yes. So there are 12 sentences. I will ask you these sentences, and you'll have to change it, transform it into different forms of tense. Okay, sir.
okay.
All right. So the first one is I will be writing my exam this time tomorrow. What tense is this, sir?
Future continuous tense.
Correct. Can you change it into past continuous tense? I'll repeat the sentence for you.
Yeah,
I will be writing my exam. Do you want me to show you the sentence? I can do that.
not required, not required.
I will be writing my exam this time tomorrow.
Yes, okay. Like I was writing the exam.
Uh-huh.
I was writing the exam
This time tomorrow.
this time yesterday, like that. This time
Correct, sir.
yesterday.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Now, he will have thought about this. This is
She will.
present perfect. He will have thought about this.
Okay.
We have to make it to present perfect tense.
Present perfect tense.
Yes, here it is. He will have thought about this.
He will have thought about this. Yeah.
How will you make it into present?
Present perfect tense or
Present perfect, present perfect.
present perfect tense.
Let me know if you need my help.
Yeah, he have perfect tense. He have thought about this.
Almost correct. I'll tell you where to work. You said
Okay.
he have thought about it. He
Yeah.
is singular.
Okay.
So we will use have or
he has
he has, correct.
he has thought
Has
about
about
this.
this. Absolutely correct.
Yes.
Next one. He hadn't thought about that. We need to change it into simple past.
He hadn't thought about
that.
He hadn't thought about that.
This
We need
is
to
past.
convert into
Yeah, we need to convert it into simple past. He hadn't thought about that.
Yeah. He hasn't thought about this. Thought about that.
No, sir. No.
Simple. We need
Past.
to convert into simple past.
He hadn't thought about it. About that.
Yeah. Simple past tense. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give you an example. I ate a lot. Past tense of this would be?
I ate a lot. Okay, past tense.
Yeah, simple past. What will you say?
I ate a lot.
Past tense.
Past tense is ate, right? Ate. Yeah, I ate.
Okay, I don't eat a lot. Now, what is the past of it? Simple past. I don't eat a lot. Past of don't is?
Past of don't is doesn't.
No. Didn't. I didn't eat a lot. So similarly, she hadn't thought about that. Simple past is she didn't think about that.
She didn't think about it. Okay.
Okay, did is simple past tense.
Okay.
All right. Okay. I always wanted to be a scientist. We have to change it into present perfect. I always wanted to be a scientist.
I always wanted to be a scientist. We need to make it into simple.
Sorry, present perfect.
Present perfect. Present perfect. Perfect means complete. Okay, present, yeah. Always, sorry, scientist. I always wanted to, I wanted to be a scientist. No.
So usually, so when we talk about present perfect, we add have. Present perfect usually has have in it. So you say, I have always wanted to be a scientist.
I have okay.
I have always wanted to be a scientist.
Okay, got that.
Right? Okay, we'll do just one more sentence now.
Yes.
This is very simple. Okay. She did not want to go. She did not want to go. We change it into simple present.
Simple. She didn't want to go. She didn't wants to go. Sorry.
No, sir. Simple present. She did not want to go. Simple present.
She did not want to go.
So what is the present of did?
Do.
Yes. Now she do not want to go.
She do not want to go. Okay.
Yes, but she and do is incorrect. So you make it she Do or does?
She doesn't.
She does not want to go.
Okay.
Okay, here's your sentence.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay,
Got it.
so good, sir. I mean, you face problem only in one or two sentences. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes.
those two minor
Yeah.
problems. Point
Yeah.
being that, just read these sentences, because in real life, nobody's going to tell you, right, that, okay, now change it to
Yes.
first
Yes.
present perfect,
Yeah.
this or that. What
Yes.
will
Yes.
help you enough is, suppose now, let me show you example. You want to prepare for tenses.
Yeah.
So you just
Yeah.
see these sentences, okay? And you just read them, right?
Okay.
Just read all of them. That is help. That is practice enough. You don't
Okay.
have to necessarily change them. Okay, just see,
Okay.
oh, this is present perfect. Oh, this is past. It
Okay.
would be enough, because these
Okay.
types of rules are not necessarily required in daily
Okay.
communication, unless you want to become an English teacher and teach
Yeah.
people,
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Now
right?
sometimes I like a lot of times like I'm doing mistakes in these tenses only.
Uh-huh. Rarely, sir. For example, we were having a normal conversation, right?
Yeah.
In that
Yeah.
normal conversation, you made very few mistakes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
ultimately, the normal conversation matters, because you don't have to appear for an IELTS exam. Or
Yeah.
do
Yeah.
you?
No. No. Yeah. No. No.
Right?
No.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So,
Like
yes, sir.
yeah. In the future, I am going to be like going to do a managerial role, like take a managerial role, like that. Like I need to
Right.
be like fluent in English.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And on a daily basis, we only use simple present, simple past, simple future,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
We use simple language.
Yes.
You don't have to flaunt your grammar when you become a manager,
Yes. 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 Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think with the time that we have remaining, we can do one quick story. If you have any incident that you can share, we can work on that.
Okay. In the past tense or
Any incident, sir?
the past tense? Okay.
Any incident. We'll see which tense is more appropriate.
Okay. I'll story about. Tell the story about.
Yes.
Mm,
If you can't think of a story from
not
personal life,
recollecting.
yeah, I can't. You can't
Yeah.
recall. Which is your
Yeah. I
favorite
can't
movie?
recall. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. My favorite movie is like Arya movie. I think I discussed with
You did.
you
We
before.
did. We
Okay.
did.
My favorite movie is Arya. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any
We
other
did that
movie?
conversation.
Yes. Any other movie that you probably watched?
Yeah. Yeah, I like Robo movie also very much. Robo,
Okay. All right.
Rajinikanth sir movie.
Okay, so for the time that we
Yeah,
have left, why don't you quickly summarize the movie for me?
yeah. No, in that Robo, like I inspire, like by like while watching that, like I watched that movie like the long back, but it inspired me in a lot of ways. Like it's about future technology and no, in that movie, like lot of things shown, like related to machine learning, artificial intelligence,
Lot
and
of things are
robotics.
shown.
No, all that movie, like most of them, all about a lot of things are shown in that movie related to technology, like how technology is influencing or dominating the human beings. Okay, and
Uh-huh.
no, yeah, I was like the I inspired by that movie a lot, and
I
yeah,
was
like
inspired. I was inspired by
I
that
was
movie.
yeah, I was inspired by that movie,
Yes.
and
Uh-huh.
yeah, like suppose we create emotions to the to the machine, like what are the disadvantages it is there, like it is clearly shown in that film. Okay, like
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
we add emotions like love, affection, and anger. Okay,
Uh-huh.
suppose we add a emotion to
Right,
the
right.
machine. Yeah, what are the what are the effects it causes for the human being? Okay,
Yes,
like sometimes it dominates the human being also.
true. Very
Okay,
true.
like yeah, maybe I think in the future it will be happen like that only. Maybe
It
in the artificial
future,
intelligence or like yeah,
future it might
machines
happen.
will be dominant. Yeah, it might happen. Machines will dominate the like human beings. Yeah.
True, true. Great, sir. See, no correction as such, even in this. And you
Yes.
said future tense, present, and past, all of it mixed, right?
That's
You
great.
said that
Yeah.
in future it might happen, in present this is interesting me, and in past this happened in the movie. So
Yeah.
the all tenses were utilized in this,
Oh, thank you so much.
right? Or so my only suggestion is that you revise the sessions. Check
Sure.
recordings and
Sure.
see
Sure.
how were you speaking, where did you make mistake, where did I correct you, and that
Yes.
would be good enough.
Sure. Sure.
All right then, sir. We've reached the end of the session. Anything you want to add or no?
No, madam, like your explanation is very nice. Like today is very useful. Like most of the time, I did a mistakes in tenses only, but I
Right.
got some clarity. Not much
Uh-huh.
clarity, but some clarity I got.
Some clarity. And you see yourself improving. You're
Yes.
making
Yes.
lesser mistakes.
Yes. Yes.
That's wonderful. So I'm really happy to know this.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. My pleasure. Have a good night, sir.
Good night. Thank you.
All right. Bye. Take
Take
care.
care. Bye. Bye. Bye.